to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we'll be making a super delicious mango habanero wing. Today's ingredients are cornstarch, vinegar, garlic, ginger, habanero peppers, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, and complete seasoning. And we also have mango juice and fresh mangoes.
And of course we have some wings, some fresh chicken wings.
Now we'll be seasoning our chicken.
Alright, so we're going to add some chicken seasoning. What is that?
That's our all-purpose.
All-purpose seasoning, okay. Complete seasoning. A little bit of smoked paprika. Alright, go ahead and mix it up. It's looking good already, Kaylee. It's already looking good. Make sure your chicken is well seasoned. Now we're just gonna let this sit and marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes while we're making our mango habanero sauce.
Now we'll be making our sauce.
Alright. What are you adding to the blender?
Some mango juice.
Mango juice, alright.
Then I'm gonna add some vinegar.
Some vinegar, okay. Pour that in. That's about a half a cup
Now I'm
of
gonna
white
add
vinegar.
some mangoes.
Fresh mangoes. Oh yeah.
Then I'm gonna add some garlic.
Some garlic as well. Freshly minced garlic.
Some
Ginger.
half of a habanero pepper.
Okay. So that's half.
Then we're gonna add our sugar.
Sugar.
And lastly our cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Now we're gonna add our sauce to the pot.
Alright, so we're just gonna bring this sauce to a boil and then we'll just turn it off after about 10 minutes. And you want to cook this at medium to low heat. So the sauce is getting nice and thick right now. It's been about 5 minutes, and like I said guys, you just want to have it at a medium to low heat and let it simmer. After about 10 minutes, the sauce should be ready to go. It's looking so good.
This looks so nice.
Alright guys, so time to add our wings to the oil. The oil is nice and hot. Just go ahead and add a little bit at a time. We're also going to fry these wings for at least 10 to 12 minutes or until they're nice and crispy. Time to flip our wings. Look at that, nice and crispy. Time to add our sauce. Oh my God, it smells so good, guys. Just a little bit more. Oh yeah, a little bit more. That's it. And we're just gonna toss it real quick. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.